Welcome! If you've ever been mentioned in someone's Instagram story and noticed it getting boosted as an ad, you might be wondering how to control who can promote stories that mention you. In this updated guide, I'll walk you through the exact steps to stop others from boosting stories that mention you on Instagram. First, make sure you have the latest version of the Instagram app installed on your device. Open the app and log into your account if you haven't already. Next, head over to your profile by tapping your profile picture in the bottom right corner of the screen. Once you're on your profile page, look for the three horizontal lines, also known as the menu icon, in the top right corner. Tap on it to open your settings menu. From the list, find and tap on Your Activity. This section gives you a detailed overview of your interactions and content on Instagram. Scroll down until you see the option labeled Tags. Tap on Tags to manage how you're tagged and mentioned in posts and stories. At the top of the Tags page, you'll notice three dots. Tap on them to access more settings. Here, you'll see an option called Manage Setting. Tap on it to continue. Now, scroll down the Settings menu until you find the toggle labeled Allow People to Boost Stories They Mention You In. By default, this option might be turned on, allowing others to promote stories where you're mentioned as paid ads. To stop this, simply toggle it off. That's it. With this setting turned off, other users won't be able to boost stories that mention you, giving you more control over your presence on Instagram. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy tech tips and updates. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.